Alright, I'm going to now talk about how to do beats or grooves. It's a little different because you have to worry about where the beats line up. So I know our files for this week are at tempo 110, so I'm going to change my beats per minute to 110. I've already downloaded the week 11 files. And again, you could use whatever loops you want. You don't have to use mine. So I'm going to take beat 10 and put it in here. And I chose this one because it's really easy to see. Now, if you'll notice that, excuse me, you can really see the transients here where the beat starts. And remember to think about these tools over on the side because this will help expand your window both vertically and horizontally. All right. This one's really, like I said, really easy to see. So what I'm going to do is I know that this starts right at beat 2.1, so I'm going to put my cursor there, and I want to make sure down here it's reading 2.1.000. Just in this case, it does. And I'm going to go S for slice, and now I've put a slice point right there, and I'm going to hit delete to get rid of the rest of them. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can take this, just this little snippet here, and copy it and paste it, or you can try the loop. So I'm going to turn on my loop toggle repeat. I'm going to drag this over the loop, and I'm going to rewind, and now it should be looping back. Whoops! Once I rewind, so it's creating a pretty good loop. What I would do next is maybe do a little bit of a fade here using the fade tool. Let's listen to the loop again. Oh, it's even better. So in this way, this was an easy one, but look for the transients and see where, the high points and low points where the beats start, and then line up, and that's how you pretty much create a beat groove. This is a nice one for a sci-fi video game, which our project's going to be. So this would be a nice one to play in the background. So that's just a brief tutorial on creating loops. So what I want you to do for this week, there is no walkthrough, but I want you to create a drum or groove loop using my loops that I provided, or you can come up with your own loops. And it doesn't have to be long, maybe a measure or two, or at the most 4. I just want to be able to hear the loop, and then save it as a WAV file. You know the routine, post it on Moodle. Next week we're going to get into our video game.